We are given the question here where f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 and g of x is equal to 4x plus 1. So we have two functions to work with, and we are asked to find the composite functions f of g and g of f. Let's try to find f of g using the number machine. Now we have to construct the number machine for function f. Okay, so we do that. So we ask ourselves, what is the first operation being done on x? And the first operation is x is multiplied by 2. Afterwards, what is the second thing that is done in the function? The second thing is subtract 3. And then there's our final output. Okay. Now in this case, the input to the function is another function g. G is the input. Okay, just remember that. This is our input. So we have to put the whole function as our input. So we have 4x plus 1 going into this box where we are going to multiply by 2. Okay, so we have put in the 4x plus 1 in brackets so we can multiply the whole thing by 2. So now we have 4x plus 1 times 2. Okay, and that will give 2 times 4x is 8x, and 1, 2 is 2. So we get 8x plus 2. 8x plus 2 now goes into another box where we have to subtract 3. So the output is 8x plus 2 subtract 3. 2 take away 3 is negative 1, and so the answer is 8x minus 1. So therefore, fg is equal 8x subtract 1. Moving on to g of f now, we have to construct the function, the number machine for the function g. Okay, so that's what we're going to do now. We are looking at g of x and we are saying, what is the first thing that is done to the x? The first thing is that we multiply by 4. What's the second thing that is done? The second thing is that we add 1. Okay, and then we have our output. So now the input has changed. This is the input. F is the input. An entire function is going into another function. So we have to write f of x. We have to write 2x minus 3 being inputted. Then we multiply by 4. So we have 2x minus 3 times 4. We expand the brackets. 4 2s are 8x minus 4 3s are 12. So we have 8x minus 12 going into the last box, and we're going to add 1. So we have 8x minus 12, add 1. Final answer is 8x minus 11, because negative 12 plus 1 gives negative 11. Okay, so our answer for GF is 8x subtract 11. So this is how you can use number machines to determine the expressions for composite functions. Thanks for watching.